Okay guys, this is going to be a very short video that hopefully will allow you to understand better the difference between reflexive and intensive pronouns. Now I gotta tell you, if after watching this video you still don't get it, I recommend you go ahead and check the book. The book explains this point in a more detailed way. Now, to show the difference between both pronouns, reflexive and intensive pronouns, I have gotten some examples. Now, let's get down to business. See, Martha cut herself while she cooked the paella. What we are going to do in order to decide if the pronoun is a reflexive or an intensive pronoun is to eliminate the pronoun from the sentence. See, let's do that. Martha cut while she cooked paella. Now, I gotta ask you, does this new sentence transmit the same idea as the previous sentence, as the first sentence? Does it even make sense? So, no, the idea is not the same. The idea is changed, and this time we don't specify what or who Martha cut. Because in the first sentence, I know who Martha cut. Martha cut Martha. She cut herself. Maybe she was careless with a knife. Yes? In the second sentence, we don't know what she cut. So to some degree, the sentence doesn't make sense. To some degree, the idea is not the same. When the meaning changes by eliminating this pronoun, we are going to say that that pronoun is important to transmit the same idea, and that pronoun is a reflexive pronoun. The function of this pronoun is the direct object. Martha cut who? Herself. Now, check the next example, the one about Jeannie. It's the same pronoun, herself. Yes? Jeannie told me herself the truth. Jeannie told me the truth. Now, right now, I don't know if it's a reflexive or an intensive pronoun. So, I take it out. Does this transmit the same idea? Does the second sentence say the same as the first sentence? Does it even make sense? Yes, it transmits the same idea. Jeannie told me the truth. Jeannie told me herself the truth. Because I can take it out and actually get the same idea across, I say that that's an intensive pronoun. Because the intensive pronoun acts as an appositive. Appositives are not grammatically necessary in a sentence. The information that the information that appositives transmit is some more pragmatic piece of information, not grammatical, not structural information. So, do I need the pronoun herself in that sentence to transmit the same idea? No, because I don't need it. I say that that's an intensive pronoun. Its function, appositive. Next example. In some tribes, like the Mawe, males hurt themselves in order to show the transition to manhood. Let's take the pronoun out. In some tribes, like the Mawe, males hurt in order to show the transition to manhood. This sentence makes sense. Both sentences make sense. But the meaning is different. To exemplify, let me use Spanish. In the first case, en algunas tribus como los Mawe, los hombres se lastiman a sí mismos para mostrar la transición a la adultez. The next sentence. En algunas tribus como los Mawe, los hombres sufren para mostrar la transición a la adultez. As you can see, the meaning is not the same. Even the verb is translated in a different way, not in the same way. Now, in case you're wondering, the Mawe are a tribe that crafts these sort of mittens that children, when they are like 10, 11, 12 maybe, put on. And these mittens have bullet ants inside. And when the children put the mittens on, then the ants start biting them. And it's one of the most painful bites that ants can have. They are called bullet ants. That's just cultural information, right? But anyway, so you see the sentence to some degree changes its meaning, because that themselves is a direct object. Any sentence that takes out its direct object is going to change in meaning. Well, there might be, I don't know, a possible exception. Remember, language is a very fluid thing. And the next example. I myself saw the ghost. I saw the ghost. Does the second sentence transmit the same idea as the first one? Yes. I myself saw the ghost. I saw the ghost. Who is myself? I. So myself is an appositive, and I don't need it to transmit the same information. So I say that myself is an intensive pronoun. Function, appositive. And well, guys, with this I hope that the explanation helps. I hope things are clearer now, and I'll see you in the next video.